Hi everyone, welcome back to the Stickier Side of Crafting 2020 collab, hosted by me. So we post on the 27th of each month, and yeah, be sure to check everyone else out after you see what I did. So last month I finished up a sticker sheet, and then I finished up the one I was going to use for this month earlier this month as part of my hashtag use it up collab challenge thing that Beth at Bourbon Creek Crafts is doing. So I had this one as my March one, but I used one of the stickers out of it on this, which you've already seen in my Smash That Small Paper Pad on the 25th. This one sticker I had used out of this pack, so I thought, well, I'm gonna do the rest of it and just work ahead and see what happens. So let me get this out of the way, and I made 4 cards with the stickers that I had. Let me move this. So this is the first one. Oh, before I get into this a little bit more, I'm still using the Smash That Small Paper Pad paper. I used 3.5 more sheets, so I had actually 79.67. I had said 79. But I went through and counted and recounted, and it turns out that one of the designs actually had an extra sheet. So I had 97, not 96 sheets to start. Oh boy. I had used 17.33 for the 2 accordion books, which left me with 79.67. So now I'm down to 76.17. I used 3.5 pages. Here's the half page. It's a little more than half, but you know, I'm counting it as half. And then this is all I have left of the other ones I cut into. So let me get that out of here and show you what I made. So this is the first one. These are the stickers. Put this on thick Very Vanilla by Stampin' Up. And this is regular Very Vanilla, and I used the Stampin' Up Starburst Punch, which is one of my favorites. It's item number 143717, and it's approximately 2 1/8 inch around. And then I used a ribbon by Stampin' Up as well. It's this metallic edge ribbon. It's in the Very Vanilla, which has the gold edging, and what made me do that is this sticker has gold in the background. Can you see that? Yeah, there we go. And so I heat embossed this Sending a Hug Your Way, and that is out of this Stampendous clear stamps, which are new this year. It says 2019, but they were put out in early this year. So here's the Sending a Hug Your Way. And I just thought that made sense because the bird is sending, you know, he's out of the cage now and flying the hug your way. That was my thinking. And then the embellishments are also Stampin' Up. They were out of the Christmas Time is Here suite that was online only, and I don't know that they're still available anymore. It was for quite a while after Christmas, but anyway, I just put 3 of them on. They don't exactly go with Topaz-y colors that were already on there, but they sort of do. And then I bumped this up because these are already bumped up. And then inside, I used the other portion of that green paper, a piece of Very Vanilla, and I just put a piece of that ribbon going down to add that gold sparkle. So that is card number 1. And then card number 2 had these floral stickers with the orangey color in. So I pulled out a piece that was, it actually has bugs on it. Let me show it to you. It's my least favorite piece in the entire pack, and it's the one they gave me an extra sheet. Instead of having 8, I had 9 of it. So let me find where it is. Sorry, it's this one. So what I did is I turned this top part, can you see that? I turned that top part sideways and coming down around here. So I thought it gave a nice outline, but then I really don't like these, I don't know. I just don't like that paper as much. So, but I used it, and you'll see in a minute. And then I remembered I had this Dollar Tree pack of I don't know what they call it, foil sheets? Yeah, foil sheets. They're very thin, but this one in here that's sort of orangey, coppery looking is what I used here. These are layering ovals out of Stampin' Up's layering oval set, the scalloped ones. And I used that foil, and then I used crumb cake. And I used a scrap of crumb cake here to make a flag. And then I used another layering oval, and I stamped "You Are Amazing," and that is out of Band Together by Stampin' Up. It's in the annual catalog. I love that font. And I used Calypso Coral ink by Stampin' Up to bring out the orangey color in the flowers also. And then these are actually pumpkin pie. They're from the holiday 2019. They're carrying over to 2020 online. So I used 3 of the pumpkin pie ones because they were the closest thing I had to that sort of orangey color in embellishments. And then inside I used the bugs underneath on the bottom, then a piece of the foil, then a piece of Very Vanilla, crumb cake, Very Vanilla, and So Grateful We Are Friends is out of that same Band Together stamp set up here. And this is off the sticker sheet. So I got rid of one sheet of bugs. But I love how this scrolly part looks. So I think that came out beautiful. And then the next one is butterflies. I had this one butterfly. I thought, well, I'll cut up the butterfly sheet. Now, the way the butterfly sheet is, these were at, you know, at the bottom like this, see? So I had to cut the edges off to be able to get it to fit, and I still, so I didn't lop off too much of this blue one, I made it all the way over to the edge. So, but I wasn't crazy about having just a little bit of bare spot at the top. So what I did is I took this deco tape from Dollar Tree that I've had, and it's in my use it up bin. And I just edged this then with the gold deco tape, and I think that added a little something. And then the flowers I've been using, I used them on the 25th with my Smash My Small paper pad also. They're these little birdie flowers. I have no clue where I got them. Jewel Florette Shabby Chic. I don't know. It doesn't have a Tuesday morning sticker, so I'm not sure where I got them. And then this is the sticker pack butterfly. And then inside, I just used a piece of Very Vanilla, but I edged it in soft suede. And I did go around the edges of this in soft suede as well. And I used my, oops, yeah, that's the right one, right? Yeah, I used my Stampin' Right marker brush end to do that. Then I had this piece left. I don't know if it's from, yeah, I think it is from this actual paper. And I just edged that, and then I stamped from the Butterfly Gala. Which one? This one. This duo here. I just stamped it in soft suede, and I stamped their little antennae. And I thought that went well with the kind of sepia looking background on it. And that's all I did for that one. And oh, the thank you so very much. That also came out of Butterfly Gala. Thank you so very much. Okay, and then the next one, I pulled out the pink piece of paper, which I hadn't used any of yet. So now I can say I've used a piece, except for some scraps I have left. I pulled in again soft suede because I think that closely resembled this. And this time I had these floral pieces. And I have one other piece which is ended up inside. I stamped Hello My Friend. That's going back to the Stampendous stamps. Hello My Friend. And I put one of the stickers up. So that's bumped up, and this is too. So this will not be regular postage. It already had these pink blings in. So I pulled out the, where are they? Here they are. Noble Peacock rhinestones. These here are supposed to be Melon Mambo, but they're pink. They're basically pink. So I put 3 more of those on. And then inside I again layered soft suede, some of the pink, very vanilla, and this was the last sticker I had, and I was trying to figure out what to do with it. I didn't like it on the outside of any of them, and this one didn't have any decoration inside, so I just stuck it down in the corner. And that used up the entire sticker sheet out of this Firefly stickers. Sticker layered design is all it says. Yeah, and Memento 2019. So I got it, what says September 2019 here. So Tuesday morning had it, even though it was a 2019, so I'm not sure why. But I have 3 landscape cards and 1 portrait, A2, all A2 size, and not using up any of my cards. I tried to pull out my A7 cards that I had in my stash to use, but I wasn't liking how the paper arranged on it, so I gave that up. So anyway, I think they came out really, really pretty. They're very dimensional though. They're not some that can go in the mail unless you're mailing something else. So yeah, go check out the rest of the Collab members, please, and see what wonderful things they've come up with their sticker packs. I can't wait to see. And for this collab, you can pretty much guess that I'm going to probably be using a sticker pack a month. But hey, it's better than nothing. It's better than sitting in my drawer here. So yeah, hope you can do the same. Hope we inspire you to get your stickers out and use them instead of letting them sit there. We bought them because they were pretty. Let's go ahead and use them because they're pretty, right? All right, guys, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.